Want to add GBP, USD, British Pound, US Dollar to your trading chart? Here's how to do it. First, open MetaTrader 4 and log into your account. On the main screen, tap on the Market Watch window. You can usually find this on the left side. Right-click in the empty space under the Symbols section. Select Show All to display all available pairs. Scroll down or search for GBPUSD and double-click on it to add it to your market watch list. Now you can easily add GBPUSD to your chart by right-clicking on it and selecting Chart window. You can add multiple currency pairs to your market watch list for quick access to more trading options. This helps you monitor a variety of trades and make informed decisions. Do you trade GBPUSD often? Or do you prefer other pairs? Let me know your favorite in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.